Hey everybody, Jason here. Happy Monday. Hope you guys all had a great weekend and you're having a great day so far. So today we're up a bit, $12,000. We did close an Iron Condor, the one expiring, I believe it was this Friday, but we had put in a closing order at 75% gain, so that went ahead and got executed. So that closed automatically, and we still have a couple more Iron Condors on Tesla, these 650 800s. We were down on these a bit last week, but now we are positive on them, up 22%. We'll close those again. We put closing orders in at 75% gain on these couple Iron Condors, the ones that I opened up live. I opened up the first one live, and then I just opened up another one to average down on it a little bit. And one of the things, like I said, when I opened it on an Iron Condor, basically, if you get any movement on the underlying initially, you will be down on an Iron Condor in general, unless they are very offset. And by that, I mean, if Tesla's trading at 700 and you open up the short strike prices at 650 and 750, since those are equal distance, any real movement, you'll be down on it. If it happens to stay exactly the same, you would continually be up on it, but that's not the case. And we are a little bit further out on our call side than our put side, so we did have obviously movement to the downside of Tesla last week, which is why we were down on it for a bit. But I like playing a little bit closer to the money on the put side than the call side. The call side, a little bit more scary for me. I think at any point Tesla could go up quite a bit, and that's actually more of a scare for me than the downside, because downside we can just roll out, and we get to buy more shares and buy leaps, and I just feel like it's on sale. So but we'll put we have closing orders on this for 75% gain, so we're almost a third of the way there, and then we'll get those guys closed out. Other than that, I did open up one more broken wing butterfly. Nope, I bought two of them, or opened up two of them. So if you want to see the strike prices on these, here they are. This is, again, a very low risk, very low reward play. Grab $10 a piece for these. That's it for $300 collateral. So only a 3% gain, 10 days though. So not very long. But these generally will expire worthless, and we just get to collect our little $10 and our little $10, and pretty consistently. You can see I have one expiring today. So we have them expiring Friday. We have them expiring every now and again. But I just keep rolling those over, and or not really rolling, but when one expires worthless, I go ahead and open up one or two more, and we'll just continue to do that with our broken wing butterflies. The other thing I had forgot to mention, last week I decided to get rid of my AT&T piggy bank, and move that over to Jeppy. I don't think I had mentioned that, but we had I ended up just selling all my AT&T shares and put it in JEPI. They should have a very similar dividend yield to AT&T. Their stated goal is 7% a year. Plus seems like it has a bit better growth. So just kind of a piggy bank here. Don't expect anything massive out of them, but somewhere to park $6,000, and this does pay dividends out every single month. And other than that, I will likely not make any moves today besides the one I already did, unless we have something major to the downside on Tesla. Then I'll open up some more put credit spreads. But other than that, we don't have anything expiring that I really need to manage. I did grab one long condor here. I paid a whole $20 for it. You can see the strikes here. So this is something, if at the end of the week, we end up anywhere between 700, 702. So pretty tight range, but again, we only spent $20 on them. And it's potential, well, $40 total because we have 2 of them. So there's, we could have a couple $100 upside on them. These are, as opposed to the SPY plays, the broken wing butterflies, these are very high risk, very high reward, and very cheap plays. Like I said, only spent $20 on them. And like the SPY ones, we have $300 worth of collateral out, but we only collect about 3%. So I see Tesla just kind of chilling out in this range. Maybe I think that $700 level, which had been resistance, both on the top and it has shown that it was support for a bit before the NHTSA investigation came out. I think we could see that again. And I don't know, my crystal ball is not working today, so I don't know what this week is going to hold. We have the Jackson Hole event. We have, we have the Afghanistan news. We have a lot of craziness out there. So we'll see if Tesla can keep $700 as a support. But, who knows what that'll be like. All right, guys, I think that is it so far today, and probably the only stuff I need to talk about. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll do my best to answer them. All right, love you guys, and let's make a lot of money.